In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. Some of the people, some of the people are the attractive personalities. They become the attractive personalities despite the fact that they are not very wealthy, despite the fact that they are not very influential. Yet, people who come across them, the people who interact with them, they like them. They like them and they want to continue. They want to continue their interaction with these people, or at least they don't get bored. They don't get bored, they don't try to run away from these people, they don't try to run away from these people. Okay, that is fine. We need to know, we need to know whether we too become as attractive as these people are, so that the people, the rest of the people, they will like to get closer to us. They will like to sit with us. They will like to talk with us. They will like to listen to us. Can we become a person like this one? Can we become an attractive personality? Can we become an interesting person? Can we become a person whose company is quite enjoyable? Yes, yes, we can become. And how to become? How to become? We have to do what these people are doing. We have to do what these people are doing. We have to create. We have to create the qualities, the good qualities, the vital qualities which these people are having in themselves. That is the way to become a person like them. That is a way to become a person like them. As simple as this one. Now, what are the qualities which has made them such an attractive person? What are those qualities, by the way? Yes, let's talk about those qualities. I think first of all, they people are sincere people. They people are sincere people. They are not selfish. They are not self centered. They are not interested in manipulating, exploiting the other people. Because most of the people, the kind of skill they want to learn is how to manipulate the people, how to exploit the people. This is the kind of skill which most of the people, overwhelming number of the people, are desirous of learning. So these people are not selfish. They are not anyway interested in manipulating, in exploiting the people around them, the people they come across. First of all, not to talk of hurting other people even without a reason, because there are people who do hurt other people, who do hurt the reputation of other people, even when they are not getting any benefit. Why? Because maybe because their ego emphasizes them, because their ego compels them, motivates them towards this. So these people, the attractive people, they don't want to hurt anyone else, not without a reason at all, and not with any reason as well. Not, they don't want a manipulation or exploitation. They don't want to hurt without a reason. I mean, they are sincere people. First and foremost, first and foremost, these people are the sincere people, the attractive people, the people with whom you will like to continue your relationship with, These people are sincere people, first of all. Then these people are found learning the knowledge, gaining the knowledge, the skills. They don't believe in learning learning mean ke learning is meant only for the first few decades. They don't think that the learning should end once the childhood is gone, once the youth age has gone. They don't stop learning, they continue their learning, although they were the full-time learners during their school, college, university time. Now they are not the full-time learners, yet they try to continue their learning. They try to continue their reading. They continue to learn whatever way they can, because there is a phrase of English that leaders are readers. Those who read a lot, they can lead well. So, although we are not talking about the leaders, we are talking about the people who are the attractive personalities. Now, these attractive personalities, they keep learning, they continue their learning. They don't stop their learning at any stage of their life, because they know that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said once that keep learning, keep getting knowledge, keep learning the knowledge from the very first part of your life to the very last part of your life, mean from the cradle to grave. Keep learning. So these people are learners. They are always trying to improve themselves, always trying to improve the way they think, always trying to improve their knowledge, particularly the knowledge which is directly beneficial in the practical life. They are the knowledge seekers. They are always seeking knowledge. They are always seeking knowledge despite the fact that they're learning, they are getting older, but still they continue their learning. They don't stop their learning, because learning is like a life to them. They 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 remain happy in learning. They are found thriving during this activity, or because of this activity. So these are their activities. Not only this thing, rather they are sincere on the one hand, they are the persistent, continuous learner on the other hand, and then last but not the least, they are trying to communicate whatever they are possessing, the knowledge they are possessing. They are very happy to communicate it to other people without a cost as well. They are eager to learn, and they are desperate to teach. So both of these qualities have made them three of these qualities: being sincere, honest on the one hand, and then a continuous learner on the other hand. Thirdly, lastly, that these people are desperate to teach. So they are a very good teacher. They are always trying to find the opportunities for the purpose of teaching, for the purpose of communicating. So these qualities of theirs has actually made them a very attractive person. So if at all we too want to imitate them, if at all we too want to copy them, if at all we too want to become a person like they people are, all what is needed is this one. This is as simple as this thing. Jazakallah. Thank you very much.